Hey guys, so before you end up watching this video that's about to happen, you should check out one of my friend's channel. His name is Guitar Boy. His link to the channel will be in the description. What he does is guitar covers. He's really good, but he's a small channel and he needs help growing. So it would be a big help if all of y'all went and checked him out. You know, if that's not your type of thing, it's fine, but I think everybody loves music, you know, so yeah, check that out, and yeah, that'd be really helpful for him and stuff. Tell him I sent you, and you might get a discount or something. I don't really know. Yeah, so go check him out. Hey guys, BC Food Review here. Today we're gonna be looking for some buried treasure, so let's start looking. Follow me this way. I think right here is a good spot. Let's see if we find anything. Treasure. Look at this dirt path. This looks good. We'll dig it right here. Gogurt! And a Danimal! Oh my gosh, treasure! Hey guys, BC Food Review here. Turns out when we were digging for the treasure kind of broke. So we actually only got 3 items out of 5. But, so the first one is being Gogurt. It's strawberry flavored. And of course they always have a joke on them. I'm gonna read it to you. What do you say to a rug on top of a mountain? Hi, Matt. So kids under 5 may have difficulty swallowing frozen yogurt. Slow fat yogurt. Please be sure to thaw before serving. And there's no really facts on here. I mean, I can show you that, but that's about it. So let's go ahead and try it. It's really thawed. Oh, it's warm. It's warm. Strawberry is good. Strawberry has always been good. I love me some Gogurt. Y'all should definitely get Gogurt. Now, for something I've never had before. Danimals Squeezables. It has the monkey guy. He's the guy that like goes to soccer games and give kids Danimal in the like commercials. And I never liked them. There's all that stuff on the back, nutrition facts and stuff. Yeah, we're supposed to freeze these, but ours are kind of warm now, sadly. So let's open it. This. Right, let's do this. Oh. Oh, it's really banana-y. So many bananas. That is more banana than I thought I would ever eat, ever. It's good though. I like it. So yeah, that was good. Gogurt, 9 out of 10. Danimals Squeezable, 8 out of 10. Okay guys, so we have one more Danimal left. We're gonna see how fast I can get it all out into my mouth. So let me open it, get it ready. Now this was inspired to me by Matt Stoney. Y'all should go check out Matt Stoney. Alright.
Go.
Wow. Let's air it back up. Alright, yeah, as you can see, I'm pressing against it. Nothing's coming out. I literally, I got it all. Was that 3 seconds? We'll find out. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, sub, a comment. Check out our Discord, link will be in the description. And yeah, goodbye.